This is unbelievable. Here we have, by far and away, the worst snowstorm that I know of. And I mean, look at this snow. It's almost up to the bottom of the baby swing there. Look how it's piled on the pieces out there, the tables. This is just unbelievable. This is Clarksburg, Maryland, and it is approximately just a couple minutes past 2 in the afternoon. It's still snowing, and it has been snowing since 11 o'clock yesterday morning. So I figure there's at least a good 24-25 inches out there. As we pan around, oh yeah, definitely a lot of snow out here. Unbelievable. A record-breaking storm, if ever there was one.